Morning children. I think you have seen my earlier videos. One is about spoken English and the other is about Mizoram. Mizoram, 1 or 2 points I left it. The population is around 11 point something lakh. That is 2014 figure only. So it is a small place, but the only thing is that they are very highly literate. After Kerala, they are second, almost 99% literate. So there is nothing more to add. And as per the program of this Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, what we have to do is that come to know about the pairing state, connected state, maximum points. Say their social situation, cultural situation, language, religion, food, other important points, including the location. The northeastern states are very remote from the mainland India. So, considering Bihar, it is little less. If you take question of Rajasthan, it is almost western point to eastern point. So our pairing is Bihar. Yesterday I have shown you the map of Mizoram, and today I will show you the map of Tripura. Our second connected state is Tripura. So this is Tripura, this yellow point. And as I have told you, here Bihar is there, Jharkhand is there, Bengal is there, then Bangladesh white, and then Myanmar white. So here Tripura's, this one side is, 1, 2, 3 side is covered by Bangladesh. Tripura is covered on 3 sides by Bangladesh. And you can say little portion, it is Myanmar, but not much. So, surrounded by Bangladesh. Earlier it was East Pakistan. So, here the main community is Hindus at present. But before independence, when it was a tribal state, they had the tribal majority population. And during partition time also it was majority of tribal people. After partition, this portion became, the present Bangladesh was East Pakistan. And then, because of the torture of the Bangladesh people to the Hindus, Hindus were minorities in East Pakistan at that time. And as you know, Pakistan even now they torture the minority Hindus and Christians. So, because of the high level of torture, large number of Hindu population from East Pakistan migrated to Tripura, Assam, Meghalaya, and their northeast Bengal all. But maximum number came to Tripura because all 3 sides is surrounded by then East Pakistan. And now after independence, slowly the religious complexion changed, and it became Hindu majority area. That too, single community, Bengali Hindus. All the Bengali Hindus who came from here, they settled. Now it is a Bengali Hindu state, majority states. And politically it is now ruled by BJP. Earlier it was ruled by Communists for CPM for a long time, and before that Congress. Then the language here, you will have to note it, Tripura's language. There is an important tribal language known as Kokborok. This is a tribal language. Then the majority language now it is Bengali. It is the language of Bangladesh as well as West Bengal. Then there are minor other things like little Manipuri, those who have come from the Manipur side, and Hindi, those who are come from outside mainland India and like that. But the main language is Bengali and Kokoro, and their population is around 36 lakhs. Whereas Mizoram, it is, you remember, it is very small, 11 point something, 11 lakh Mizoram. And here in Tripura, there is an important Hindu goddess deity, Tripura Sundari, and it is a pilgrimage center. So that one point is tourist interested. Communication, of course, journey is very difficult to go to Tripura or even Mizoram. By road, if you go, and by train, if you go, you will go from this side, Bengal, then Assam, and then reach up to the border of Manipur and Mizoram. Inside there is no rail line. You can go by road. Tripura, of course, up to Agartala, there is rail line. But by road, if you go, mainland also you have to take a detour. Avoid Bangladesh. You cannot cross Bangladesh and go to Assam and then Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura and all other northeast. So this is this. But air route is very quick because you can overfly Bangladesh and the distance is from Calcutta, it is very small. That is the communication. But what we have to learn, as I told, as per CBSE headquarters instruction, learn about the general things of the state, pairing state. So Bihar students, they have to learn about both Tripura as well as Mizoram. All aspect, important aspect connected with that state. And here Mizoram also very high level of, Tripura also very high level of literacy. Their position in the whole country is third in literacy highest. First Kerala, second Mizoram, and third Tripura. There, which is about nearly 88% literacy. The language I have already told. Language I have already told. And political it is, Mizoram is now same, it is ruled by the local tribal parties only. But Tripura, they are ruled by BJP now, and the government is, it is right for last 2-3 years only started. Before that, for a long time, maybe 25-30 years, like West Bengal, it was under the rule of CPM. Okay.